Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I show you a new AI tool that will really blow your mind. The name is freepic Picasso. You find the link in the video description, and then you can start drawing here. When you start it the first time, you will see an example picture here, but we will start from scratch right now. Okay, let's say we are in a city here, and this is the brush. We can make it a little bit more smaller, and then we make some skyscrapers here, like that. Oh, you can see what's happened here. You can see how amazing is this AI tool, like that. Okay, it's a city, skyscrapers, and then we have also here some icons. Let's say a car. We can move the car here. You can see what's happened here. And now you can give a prompt. Modern city with sky rapers. You can change the imagination level. Looks pretty cool, but now it doesn't understand here that we have a street here with a car with traffic. It's amazing how it's changed. Background color, you can choose something here. See, you can make a night scene. And I already got these textures here on my character because I made a test before, but I show you now how you can, or way you can import these textures. Okay, then you can make the playback here, and you can download it as a video. That really makes a lot of fun, this AI tool. And here you can change the brush size, and here you can start over again. Clear the canvas, and then you can start again with a new picture. And you can also choose the camera angle. You can see the changes now. I really like it. And here you can reimagine the image. Very cool. You've used 70% of your daily drawings already. Carefully, don't run it out. Okay, good. Now, let me show you something more. Yes, clear all. Now delete the prompt here, and then we can upload our own images here. I got this guy here. This is a boxing guy. You can see what it made directly. It's just a shadow from him, just a canvas. And now you can give a prompt here. Boxer who is training for his biggest fight. Look, very cool what you can make with that. You can create very easy video game characters with that AI tool. Or you can also use them for animations or any kind of videos. You can make very cool stuff with this AI tool. Let me show you something here. The brush, we can also draw here something on this guy. Choose red. Now maybe we can draw a jacket. See how it's changing. You change the pose, you can see. Example, when we can try something, we use white now. Now I reached my daily limit, but don't worry, I have a plan B, and that's another account. This is my plan B freepic account I made, and this is how it looks when you log in the first time. Then you have this example picture here. You can see how it's changing. It's amazing. Background color, you can change it into the night like I showed you before. Okay, but now let's try it again with this guy. Clear it all. Delete the prompt. What is that? Good. Just upload our boxing guy. You can see it's something like Robin Hood, or I don't know. A boxer is training for his biggest fight. You don't have background here, but just try it out a little bit. Training for his biggest stand. You can see also we have some background now. Now let's try it out. When we overpaint his left hand, you can see what's happened now. You can see that the pose is changing. This is amazing. I really love it. Brush a little bit smaller. You can see now I have more details here on the glove. Amazing. Now we got more muscle, you can see. Change the position. He's much taller. Amazing. I really love that tool. Really cool. Very cool and realistic results we got. Just check it out, you find a link in the video description, and I'm sure that you have a lot of more cool ideas than me to do with this tool, okay? Good, if you found the tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next video. Bye!